Thank you. I am very, very excited to be here. It's always a kick to talk to this group, and I want to welcome everyone to this session today. My name is Michael Nixon. I'm Senior Director of Product Marketing with Snowflake. So let's start at the top. We were founded in 2012 by 3 veterans, all of whom were PhDs, and between them they have 80 patents in database technology. These guys know their stuff. They know databases. And so they brought in a gang of excellent engineers along with them, and they started to go about the business of creating a new database environment from scratch. And this is the point I really want to make. They looked at the technology that was being propositioned for big data, and they basically looked at it and said, no, we think there's a better way, and they went about the task of developing Snowflake. Since then, we have secured over $400 million in total funding from venture capitalists. Our product first launched in 2015, and since that time, we have secured well over 1,000 customers. There's been a lot of buzz about Snowflake, and throughout this presentation, hopefully you'll understand why. So why Snowflake? From an executive point of view, it's all about making better, faster business decisions. When you're a business leader, it's about creating great customer experiences with all your data. And then for the technology leaders, we present a platform that reduces costs and efforts that you normally would devote to creating a data management and data analytic environment. So these are the problems that we solve. And how do we do that? We do it by enabling a platform that allows you to have effectively zero management effort in delivering your warehouse to your users, because we deliver it as a service. The type of architecture that we have here is a multi-cluster shared data architecture. Most importantly, it is a full SQL database. It's the environment that you're accustomed to and that most database professionals prefer. And we make no sacrifices in regards to SQL. So we believe we're onto something. That's the bottom line. We believe we're solving problems for many of the database professionals out there, and we believe we're doing it in a way that is different than everyone else. The technology designed today, most of it, if not all of it, has been designed for an on-premises environment. When you move those analytic workloads to the cloud, you would have different expectations. The problem is the data architectures that were designed for here in on-premises environment simply do not work in an elastic manner once you move to the cloud. We provide the unlimited concurrency, the fast elasticity, the high availability, and the comprehensive security. A lot of the technologies that you have today actually are just band-aids on the type of architecture that's been deployed in an on-premises environment. Compared to either traditional warehouses that are deployed in the cloud or some sort of query service, we're delivered as a complete service. The concurrency for us is unlimited. It's unlimited. Why? Because we separate the storage from compute. So as you scale storage, your compute can stay in place and the storage is scaled without any impact to running queries. And conversely, if you needed to scale your compute, you don't have to touch your storage and you still have access to a single source of truth without having to do any repartitioning or anything like that. So it gives you a high degree of flexibility. All of the optimization you need to execute your environment is built in. There's no knobs you need to turn, no tuning procedures you need to execute, and no optimization you need to take care of. It's all done by Snowflake itself. So you can scale on the fly for those reasons, either dynamically or automatically, depending on how you set up your warehouses. You can just simply select to auto scale or not auto scale, and it's as simple as that. So all of these are accessing common data or a single source of truth. And then all of the services that you see here are provided as part of the package that they sign up for. Again, all built in. The management, the optimization, the security, the availability, the transaction management, and the metadata. So we're able to maintain data consistency because of the fact that we have, in effect, a global metadata environment for all of our users when they sign up for our services. Once you go to the cloud, one of the advantages of the cloud is to be able to take advantage of the economies of scale. If you're not able to do that, it's almost like, well, what's the point? So yes, we are taking advantage of the economies of scale and then playing back those advantages to the customers. Snowflake was built from the ground up to support enterprise-wide analytics at scale.